Even the smallest step moves you forward. Fall down, get up, doubt, keep going. Progress is built, one stick figure step at a time.
Alright, you've probably seen those viral stick figure animations all over TikTok and Reels. Super simple, clean, and somehow way more engaging than you'd expect, right? So I wanted to try it myself, and guess what? It's all done in Canva. There is this specific stick figure pack made by an artist on there. Just search the tag that is appearing on the screen in the Elements tab and scroll till you see the ones that looks like this. Then it's really just drag, drop, and move stuff around. Add the little text, layer in your captions or story, and boom, it starts looking like those viral edits. The trick, keep everything moving, tiny shifts every second, so it feels alive. You don't need crazy animation skills or After Effects, literally just Canva, a story idea, and little patience. Anyway, here's a quick time lapse of me editing mine. Super fun to make and low-key addicting. It's just a small example. I'm not really good at it. You can just practice more and eventually you'll be good at it the more you use it, right? You can try it now on Canva. And this is it, guys. I hope this video is helpful and see you guys next time.
Even the smallest step moves you forward. Fall down, get up, doubt, keep going. Progress is built, one stick figure step at a time.